10 food pairings you should never eat together. Mixing certain foods can hinder digestion or prevent the absorption of nutrients. Here are 10 commonly known food combinations to avoid. Number 1. Eel and peach. Eel has a high fat content that can be difficult to digest. The organic acids in peaches can interfere with digestion and cause diarrhea. Number 2. Pork and buckwheat. The cold nature of pork combined with the cold nature of buckwheat can lead to indigestion and diarrhea. Number 3. Persimmon and crab. Crabs are prone to bacterial contamination, and the tannin in persimmons can promote protein coagulation, potentially leading to food poisoning. Number 4. Cheese and beer. Although cheese is rich in calcium, the phosphoric acid in beer can inhibit calcium absorption when consumed together. Number 5. Tomato and sugar. Sugar can break down the vitamin B1 in tomatoes, preventing nutrient absorption. Number 6. Spinach and chard. The oxalic acid in both spinach and chard can increase the likelihood of kidney stone formation. Number 7. Cucumber and carrot. When eaten together, the enzyme ascorbinase in carrots can destroy the vitamin C in cucumbers. Number 8. Black tea and honey. The tannins in black tea can inhibit the absorption of iron from honey. Number 9. Clams and corn. Clams are rich in protein and vitamins, but eating them with corn can cause indigestion. Number 10. Coffee and chocolate. Both contain high levels of caffeine, and consuming them together can cause side effects like heart palpitations, headaches, and insomnia. Note that these combinations may affect individuals differently depending on their body type and health condition. In many cases, consuming small amounts will not cause problems. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.